Good evening, everyone. Distinguished guests on the dais. It's fifth time in a row of India we've been discussing on and on about education, about assessment, and about the system which we adopt. But except CCE and CBSE, which is really a good change I can see in the last many years, but there hardly any change is taking over as far as the government policy is concerned. Dr. Veera Gupta was mentioning about how much tonnage of paper is wasted and what kind of a real estate they are using for storing the paper. That's the biggest problem, and as we are from the software company and we do the digitization of the newspapers across the globe, and the newspapers have to be stored for 30 and odd years for some legal problems. So they have to store now is about a few copies, and they don't have to store all the papers which they used to have more than this building for the storage of newspapers for 30 long years. That's the reason we came out with the online self-assessment tool. It's called 247guru.com. When we launched in 2008 itself, we took a bold step and did Destination NASA contest in this country in 2008. And I'm happy to inform that a girl from Rajkot was one of the winners. Out of 16 winners we took to NASA, totally free of cost, along with the parent. When I was going through the list of the winners, all of us thought that the winners could be from Delhi, Bangalore, Bombay, but not that. The metropolitan cities, very, very few, and everything was from tier 2 and tier 3 cities. And there's so much of challenge the students took on this contest. It's a knowledge contest, which we did in 2008. That means online, we took that time, 40,000 students appeared for the test. And now we are doing in UAE the same contest in February. She also talked about the question bank, which has got the limitations. I always wonder when we go to some schools or some institutions, we always were questioned that how many questions you have, what kind of what number question bank you have. And I immediately tell them that we are not question bank, we are assessment engine. We are the assessment tool, we're not having the question bank as such. And what is this question bank? So many advertisements, so many people say that we have 1 million questions. And what do I do with 1 million questions? By the time I answer the 1 million questions, my whole life will go. I need a nutritious food to my body. I don't need a junk food. I don't need 1 million questions. I need only 10 questions which can take me to some place. That's the reason the software-driven online assessment tool which we developed has customized test. I can customize myself. What is the chapters which I am weak? I can customize, select those chapters, questions will come from there. And we also have the engine which develops the conceptual. Suppose if I am weak in concepts, I go, the second test which I take in the online, my concept questions will be more and logic questions will be less. So its automized engine will definitely help the student in assessing himself. And there's no threatening assessment like, you sit in a school, in a class, with a total fear complexity, and the teacher with the cane is around, you copy or not. All this tense is not there. You are on your own. and your system is in front of you, and you just take assessment of science and maths. We have only science and maths because it's a conceptual. She also talked about the simulation of laboratories, which we are almost halfway mark, and we would like to announce sometime next year that all the laboratory chemistry, all the lab tests we can do online with simulation, so that we can take another step forward. The skill development area, which she also talked about, is we have come out with a product called Last Mile. And the last mile is nothing but 30, I finished 5 minutes? 30 and odd skills, which actually talk about everything which a student need to learn after 8th class or 10th class when she or he goes to the college. Right from etiquettes to the public speaking to the self-development skills, all can be learned from the online itself. The total details which I must have really dealt with the assessment, because we are only assessment people. We are not the content providers, which also has an assessment, but we only deal with assessment, nothing else, and we only deal with science and maths. So we still think that we have a lot to do with the kind of simulation or whatever we are planning to do. But I think I was given only 2.5 minutes or so. So still, because I got the slip to keep your mouth shut and sit. So thank you very much for this.